Over a century ago, when the Kurdish voice was completely suppressed in its homeland, it was here in the United Kingdom, specifically in London and Folkestone, that the pioneering Badr Khan family established the early foundations of our independent press, printing the historic Kurdistan newspaper.
If the people in charge are closer to the political elite than they are to the public, contrary to everything the BBC may say, you get these very insular networks, which is difficult for us to influence.
My opening statement is, in a way, an obvious one, which is that journalism and media are in crisis. It may be a different crisis in different countries, but this feels like a particularly unstable time.
We believe that sustainable development and social progress depend upon informed citizens, accountable institutions, and a responsible media landscape.
من توشار ما ناشارة بحث كيني بين راس باردم كيني بين دعاء كيني كم جمعة اللي بقولوا هي زي كيف بازي.
آیا BBC توانیویەتی لە قەزی ڕووداوەکانی ئیسرائیل و ئێران هەموو پەیامانی بەرهەنگ بێنێ بۆ پابلیک بە جۆرە لە جۆرەکان لایەنگیری تێدا نەبێت؟
You question misinformation if there's a war. You could be treated, you could be accused of a treason easily by the government, by the opposition, and that's why it's very important for journalists using the same professional tools and standard to treat the government and the opposition.
Most of us know, who are familiar with the politics of the Kurdistan region, that actually many of the media outlets, especially the TV channels, are basically owned, not funded, owned by political figures.
روزنامه‌نووس کێیە؟ میدیاکار کێیە؟ کەناڵی میدیایی کامەیە؟ بەڕاستی ئەمە لە کوردستان و جیهانیشە لەو قەیرانەیە.